Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors. I've got the stove running because it is cold outside and I'm sitting on my knife. A little weird. And we're doing not an unboxing video, but kind of an unboxing video. This is Turbo Ant X7 Max. It's got a 10 amp hour. I think it's the front. Yeah, the front motor is a 350 brushless motor, 350 watt brushless motor, 10 amp hour battery. That should get you about 15 miles. It's actually really light. The one I did before, it was really famous for it being extremely heavy. I believe it was a dual motor, had a dual battery, it had battery here, battery there, and it had dual motor, dual shocks. It was just like every bell and whistle you could think of. When you get this, all you have to do is screw on the handles and put on the little hand lever. It's very simple. I'm sorry guys, I am so freaking tired. Oh. And it's cold outside. I've just been running. Whew. But it's got a small platform, not usually, but for the motor size, the platform's fine. The ones that have the larger motors typically have a wider platform, so you can actually carry things with it. This right here, I think the maximum is 275 pounds. This is, I think, the second or third thing I've done for Mr. Turbo Ant. But yeah, it's got air in their tires, so they're not like the pneumatic ones or whatever, where it don't have the these will go flat on you. It's a very inexpensive. It's $430. Oh, $430. What I like about it, it's very packable and it's lightweight. Most of them are these big motors, big batteries, big stuff. It does not have suspension, so when you do hit bumps, you're going to feel them. You'll feel them in your knees, you'll feel them in your stomach. There's a little bit of a downside there. If you're going to pick one up, personally, spend a little bit more money and upgrade your Turbo Ant and get the bigger shocks, the ones that have the shocks. But if you're wanting just an inexpensive budget scooter, this would be a good one to start with. It's so warm, it's making me tired. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I do appreciate the opportunity to work with these people. And if you're interested in one, I'll put it in the description below. And if you like videos like this, that with me yawning half through the review, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell. It'll tell you when we come out with new videos. And we do adventure videos every Saturday. We try to, for sure. We just hit 55 subscribers, so guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I've been doing a lot more shorts, so I'm seeing a lot more people on that side over there. But yeah, thanks guys, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you next time.